Welcome back to Harry's Tech, and today we had AMD announce that they will be bringing their RDNA 2 graphics to the Samsung Exynos, along with ray tracing and variable rate shading.
The next place you'll find RDNA 2 will be the high-performance mobile phone market. AMD has partnered with industry leader Samsung for several years to accelerate graphics innovation in the mobile market. And we're happy to announce that we will bring custom graphics IP to Samsung's next flagship mobile SoC with ray tracing and variable rate shading capabilities. We're really looking forward to Samsung providing more details later this year.
Variable rate shadings where the background of the game isn't rendered fully, meaning the processor doesn't have to work as hard and can work harder on the close-up details, or meaning it will increase your performance of the game by increasing the frames instead. And now ray tracing, well, that's where it just doesn't really improve overall the actual graphical quality, but it improves the physics and the look that you get in the game. So such things as lights, you can get like shadows, and say a light shines on something, it will also light up the room because it will kind of base it around light, which shines off things. So if you have like a light or torch on the wall, let's say Minecraft, you'll be able to see it reflected in the water, which is great. And finally, Xiaomi have officially shown off the fastest charging for a phone in the world, 200 watt charging, which charged, I believe, 10% in 40 seconds, 50% in 3 minutes, and 100% in 8 minutes. Now this was a 4,000 mAh battery. They also have, I believe, 120 watts wireless charging as well, and really I don't see how good this is for battery life. It might decrease the overall health of the phone quite a lot. But I hope you enjoyed it today. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you in the next one. Already